Alright, married couples, listen up. Today, I'm sharing some golden nuggets to keep your marriage thriving. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, be kind, not just right. In a marriage, being kind is more important than being right. When disagreements pop up, remember, the goal is to resolve them with understanding, not to win an argument. Next, keep the humor alive. Life throws curveballs, but humor is your secret weapon. Laugh together, especially at the little things. It lightens the load and keeps the joy alive. So, crack those jokes and enjoy the giggles. Third, don't expect perfection. You married a human, not a fairy tale character. There will be flaws, bad days, and mistakes. What really matters is how you handle them together, with patience and forgiveness. Remember, it's your love that counts, not perfection. Fourth, grow together, not apart. Life will change both of you over time. Support each other's dreams and evolution. As you both grow, make sure you grow closer, not apart. Be each other's biggest cheerleader and confidant. Finally, communicate openly. Don't assume your partner can read your mind. Express your needs, feelings, and thoughts openly. Honest communication is the foundation that holds everything together. So, talk it out, always. Marriage isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Pace yourselves, enjoy the journey, and always make time for each other amidst the chaos of life. Thanks for watching. Keep loving, keep laughing, and keep growing together. Until next time, take care.